Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the laziest way to make money online. I know somebody is going to ask, is there a laziest way you can make money online with crypto, especially in this bull run? Okay, now you can see the coin that is showing in my screen now. Okay, so go and buy this coin. Buy this coin and keep it for a long term. This is what the number one laziest I'm going to explain to make money in crypto. This is cat with heart. Cat with heart is a Solana blockchain coin. All right, now this coin still have 6 zeros to cancel. All right, this coin is very cheap. It's very cheap to buy this coin. Now with $10 you can afford this, with $5 you can afford this. I'm not talking about big money. That is why I said a laziest way. I'm not talking about invest with $1,000, $5,000. Can see influencers telling you to invest coin, to invest with the $5,000. No, with $10 you invest in cat wave hearts and leave it in this bull run. Just buy it and leave it. Don't go and open your wallet to check. Give it time. As Bitcoin is going up, all the meme coins, they are going to join. So this is a Solana blockchain coin. This is a Solana blockchain coin. It is best you buy this coin now that is very affordable. So the laziest way to make money online, which I'm going to explain in this video. You know, a few years ago I shared my story of how I made some money through crypto investments. One of the responses I got was that I was just lucky because I had started early. This person was not entirely wrong. Yeah. After I almost fell on my face with trading a few times. My reason was simple. I bought some cryptos and then I didn't do much. Well, that was a little more to it, and this. That was it. That was a little more to it, and that was the video. What this video is all about, because I'm going to explain in this video how I made money in crypto I bought. I think I bought it with just $10. I didn't put much effort. I didn't use 1,000 or 5,000 to buy it. Why I'm explaining this is for people. If you know you can afford, you have up to thousands of dollars to invest in a crypto, you can go ahead and do it. I'm talking about those people that thinks they cannot. You must have up to $100 before you can invest in a coin. No, $5 can make you rich in this bull run. $10 can make you rich in this bull run. $100 can make you richer in this bull um run. So, and well, I didn't do much when I bought some coin then, right? Because this was the thing I did. I didn't wait. I didn't have the patience. I didn't wait for the bull run to start. I bought that coin in 2019. That was Shiba Inu, and I rushed to sell it. If God may have it, I think I bought it, I will buy it again. Yes. So if you are investing in this cat wave heart, you're buying this coin I'm showing you now, you have to give it a time. Give it a time. Just if you have $10, buy. If you have $20, buy. If you have $50, buy it. Put in a good wallet, all right? Forget about it. And let's see how this bull run is going to go. I'm going to talk about two coins in this video. Okay, two coins that can give you money in a laziest way. Now, what is the laziest crypto investment? Lazy crypto investing is a straightforward, long-term strategy for investing in cryptocurrencies with minimal management. It is based on the idea that despite the ups and downs of the crypto market, holding on to investment for a long time can lead to significant gains. This approach is great for those who don't have the time or know how for frequent trading, or who prefer a more relaxed investing style. All right. So in this coin I'm talking about, I'm not just telling you to go and buy and then sell it off. No, you have to give it time. Can see that as this Bitcoin is pumping now, some coins are just there. This coin is still affordable now. That's why I'm talking about it. And this is Solana chain. You know how Solana coins used to pump, guys. You know that. Okay. Now, lazy crypto investing involves investing in a mix of different cryptocurrencies and not quickly reacting to the market changes. If you buy this coin and you see that market is dropping, your money is reducing, don't go and sell it off. That was the mistake I made. Don't go and sell it off. Give it, allow it, because market goes down and it bounce back. So this method helps to avoid risk of quick emotion driving trading decision. Lazy crypto investing is a long-term strategy that involves investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies and holding on to them with minimal management. It is good option for people who don't have the time of knowledge to trade frequently or who prefer a more relaxed approach to investing. The strategy is based on the idea that holding onto investment for a long time can lead to significant gains, even in the face of crypto market ups and down. All right. If I've given it time. Just like people who are, I'm going to talk about Baby Dodge in this video also. We people who held Baby Dodge for, I think Baby Dodge is up to 4 years now. Baby Dodge is not has not cancelled any zero. Baby Dodge has much pump. It is very good. It's the right time now. Baby Dodge is still affordable. It is still affordable. Just like cat with heart is trading at 0.000006. All right. So if you happen to invest in this coin, in this crypto bull run, invest in it. Forget about your wallet. Forget about it. Okay, don't wait until you have $100. If you have $10, you can go ahead and do it. With just $10 that I bought Shiba Inu, I made a good money. So you don't need to even have up to when Shiba Inu was cheap. When Shiba Inu pump, I made a lot of money. So guys, you can also do it. So that is why I called it a laziest way to make money, because there's nothing you should do here just for you to invest and leave it. Write your first, put it in a very good exchange. Okay, don't forget that Cat with Heart is a Solana blockchain. Now, the lazy crypto investors avoid the risk of making quick emotional trading decisions by not reacting quickly to market changes. You see that the market is going down, your money is reducing. That's when you bought it with $100, and before you check it again, you see that the market is falling. You see that your $10 have turned to $50. Sorry, your $100 have turned to $50. Let's say you bought it with $100 and you want to make it quick gain, and you see the market going down, going down, market is going bearish, and you are lamenting. So this is not the kind of investment I'm talking about. The laziest way I'm talking about is for you to invest it and forget about it. Okay, give it. This is a long term. In this bull run, this coin is going to do well. This coin is going to do well in this bull run. So if you buy a coin, give it the time. Do not open. Oh, today you go to open and check if you have added, you bought it with $50, you're expecting to see $100 tomorrow. No, this is a long-term investment. All right. Now, according to analysis by Australian micro investment platform, lazy investors achieve an average return of 66% compared to traders with an average return of 55%. Okay, so guys, go and invest in this coin. Don't forget that this is not the financial advice. What works for me may not work for you. Do well to carry out your own research before investing, and don't wait till you have up to $100 before you invest. Don't wait till you have up to $200 before you invest. With $10, with $30, with $50, you can invest in this coin during this bull run. If you want to be rich in this bull run, take action. The laziest way to make money in 2024. Okay, in the next coin I'm going to talk about now is Baby Dodge, which is very affordable. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end so that you will miss out in all the steps I'll be showing you in this video. So Baby Dodge coin is very affordable. Baby Dodge is very affordable now. In this bull run, this Baby Dodge is going to break out. This is a BNB chain token. This is a BNB coin. All right, invest in Baby Dodge. I've been holding Baby Dodge for the past 4 years now. Okay, don't be surprised if you have gone to sell your O's, you are going to regret it. So Baby Dodge is one of the affordable coin you can buy it and give it a long term. A laziest way to make money in 2024, invest in Baby Dodge. Don't invest and then tomorrow you sell it off. Buy it with $10, with $50, with $100, and even much more. The more, if you know that you can invest 1,000 into it, go ahead. If you have it, you know, when you don't have it, do what you can afford. All right. Also, invest what you can afford to lose. I'm also explaining the risk involved. All right. Now, if you are buying Baby Dodge, you're going to give it a long term, especially in this bull run. Don't joke with these two projects I'm telling you now. Baby Dodge and then Cat with Hearts. All right. Baby Dodge is still affordable. You can see it has 8 zeros already. 0.0008 is still affordable to buy. If this coin happen to break out now, you won't be able to afford it again with this price that it is now. You won't be able to afford it again with this price. Okay, so make good use of your time. You can see the market cap is 404 million. The volume in the past 24 hours is 59.56 million, and the total supply is 202. They are actually burning this token. All right, maximum supply is 202 baby Dutch. So you can as well, you can buy this token now in this bull run. Buy it and hold. Buy it and hold. Take note of that. Buy baby Dutch and hold. Don't just buy and sell it off. Give it time. This is long term, and let's wait for this bull run and see how this coins is going to react to it. Don't forget that it is now that you can afford it, because if any of this coin I'm talking about happen to break out, you won't be able to afford it at this cheap price again. And also, sit down to carry out your own research. Make a good research about all this token I'm talking about before you go ahead and invest. All right, know that investing is risky. You can make money and you can also lose while investing. Pick a very good crypto to invest. Okay, don't just go and invest on a shit coin. Make sure you carry out your own research about any coin that you want to invest. I'll come back again with another interesting video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to share it with your friend. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question regarding this video, go to the comment section, drop your question. I'll do my best to answer all the questions. And if today is your first time in this channel, like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video like this. I'll come back again with another interesting video. See you in my next video.